So here we have the Metrios 332, 300mm in the X, 300mm in the Y and 200mm in the Z of measurement capacity. This is a shop floor measurement system which can sit next to your lathe, CNC or injection moulding systems, as well as inside the quality lab. The machine has got a robust design with temperature compensation, deployable ring light and a robust screen, meaning that the machine can stand up to modern engineering environments. The software is extremely easy to use. If I want to go and start my measurement, I enter my measurement mode, and because it's a 3D system, the first thing it asks you to do is input the approximate part height to avoid any potential collisions. So I'm going to put in the approximate height of my pressing. Once that is done, it will ask you what lighting would you like to use, with backlight, top light from the camera, or ring lights from around the camera. This allows versatility and different measurements to be achieved. Once you've chosen the particular lighting, you can also get the machine to go and focus on the part for you. When you're happy with the quality of the image, you can then change where you want the image to be taken. And because my part is bigger than my single field of view, I'm going to tell the machine to take a larger image of the stage. Once I'm happy with how the image is going to be taken, I can press tick. And once I've pressed tick, I can then execute the image on the part. Once the image has been completed, I can take various measurements such as the width. So if I draw a line here, it will measure a line. If I draw another line here, it will measure a second line. Once those lines have been completed, I can choose my two lines. It will give me the dimensions that are possible within those two lines, and I can then take my distance. I can achieve the same thing left to right by measuring my lines and taking my two measurements. And I can then measure my diameters by just drawing on the diameters themselves. When I'm happy with how the report looks and how my measurements have been taken, I can generate a first article report by pressing PDF report, which will then present a full first article report for the operator to work from. That will be saved automatically, and as well as using the machine in this mode, this program can be saved out, converted into a program and then ran by the operator, which is what I'm going to do now. One of the key features of the 332 is a Z measurement. So within the machine, I can generate a Z focus point by loading it into the program. I can place approximately where I wish for that Z focus to be taken, and I can then go and set my lighting. As soon as you have placed where you want the focus to be, the secondary camera is activated on the machine. This secondary camera can be used for two things, the execution of Z focus points and also a high resolution image of the part. So where you have extremely small break edges or radiuses, you can activate a secondary camera and that will go to the position of those smaller features, allowing full versatility of the machine. I'm happy with how my image looks. It's going to take a focus, so I can press tick, and it will then execute a Z measurement on the part. This Z measurement can be repeated throughout the component. I can take measurements such as Z distances, flatness and parallelism, meaning that the machine is fully versatile and you've got some really, really good capability. So from one machine on the shop floor, you can have full 2D and 3D measurement, meaning that the parts do not have to leave the shop floor to have the measurements taken place. And this is the Metrios 332, a full shop floor measurement system. If you would like any more information, please contact us at Metrios UK.